Hello, today I am going to create a program that solves the Bitmaps module. We see an 8x8 grid that has black and white pixels along with numbered buttons at the bottom. Our goal is to click on the correct button. Before we look at the manual, let's go over what we have in the module. The grid is broken up into 4 quadrants. Going in reading order, let's see how many black pixels appear in each quadrant. First quadrant has 8, second has 7, third has 7, and fourth has 5. That means we have 8, 9, 9, and 11 white pixels in each quadrant respectively. I will explain why we need this information later. For now, let's look at the manual. It shows us a lot of rules regarding which button to click. We start with the rule that equals the last digit of the serial number. In this case, it is 9. It says if there are exactly as many mostly white quadrants as mostly black quadrants. That's not true. Rule 0 says if exactly one quadrant has 5 or fewer white pixels. No. If there are exactly as many mostly white quadrants as there are lit indicators. No. If exactly one row or column is completely white or completely black. This is true. That means the answer is the y-coordinate of the white row, which is 7. Since our answer is too high, we must modulo it until it falls between 1 and 4, inclusively. That means our answer is 3. We have 13, 7, 10, and 4 black pixels and 3, 9, 6, and 12 white pixels respectively. Our correct rule is 9, so our answer is the first number in the serial number, which is 7. So our answer is 3. We have 11, 7, 9, and 9 black pixels and 5, 9, 7, and 7 white pixels respectively. Our correct rule is 0, so our answer is the number of pixels in quadrants 2, 3, and 4, which is 23. So our answer is 3. We have 9, 6, 9, and 10 black pixels and 7, 10, 7, and 6 white pixels respectively. Our correct rule is 3, so our answer is the number of mostly black quadrants, which is 3. We have 10, 8, 8, and 9 black pixels and 6, 8, 8, and 7 white pixels respectively. Our correct rule is 1, so our answer is the number of batteries, which is 5. So our answer is 1. The GUI consists of 64 buttons that represent the grid. When a button is clicked, it turns black. When it's clicked again, it goes back to white. It is tedious to click on a bunch of squares, but this was the only way I figured out how to do this. For the solver, I first copied the data from the user using booleans with white being true and black being false. I then broke up the grid into 4 quadrants that keep track of certain data regarding that quadrant. I then created methods for each rule that returns if that specific rule is true or false. I then started with the rule that was the last digit of the serial number, found the first one that was true, and then found the answer. I then modified the answer if necessary and showed it to the user. Let's see a demonstration. Thank you for watching the video.